Meaning of embodiment.
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 Embodiment. Embodiment refers to the process of giving physical form or representation to a concept or idea. It involves transforming abstract concepts into concrete objects or structures that embody the essence of the original idea. By embodying an idea, it becomes tangible and more easily understood. For example, building a prototype of a new product is a way of embodying the concept of that product. By creating a physical model, designers and engineers can test and refine the product before it goes into production. Overall, embodiment facilitates communication, understanding, and problem solving.